Next unit, third unit, stock and go down in Tally. In the second unit you studied about accounts info. Now it related to inventory. Okay, inventory info. Inventory info menu lists the masters. Okay, these are the inventory info menus. Okay, through which you can provide Tally the details of your company inventory. So in the inventory info you can create, display, alter, delete stock groups, stock categories, stock items, units of measure, go down, voucher types. Okay, all those things. So how to open inventory info? Gateway of Tally, inventory info. It displays all the options. Okay, you can expect one 15 marks question from this and one 5 marks question. It's very important. In inventory info, first option is stock groups. Okay, how to open stock group? Gateway of Tally, inventory info, then stock group. See here, gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock groups. What is stock group? Stock groups in inventory are similar to groups in accounting masters. Okay, in accounts info also there is a group. It's similar to that, but stock group is in inventory. Okay, they are helpful in the classification of stock items. They are helpful in classification of stock items. Say example, television is a stock group. Okay, which are the stock items? Okay, all the kinds of television. Maybe it is Onida, or it may be any other companies. Okay, then classification are based on some common behavior. Okay, all are TV only, all are television only, whether it is maybe Onita TV or it may be other company TV. Okay, whatever it may be. Stock groups enable easy identification and reporting of stock items in statements. So all are one kinds of. Okay, example, if you consider monitor, computer monitor, there are different companies out there. Dell companies out there, Acer companies out there. Okay, so but all are monitor only. That is the stock group. Stock item is okay, HP monitor, okay, Dell monitor, okay, like this. So here television is a group, then all the company names are stock items. Clear, no? Then how to create a stock group? Okay, go to gateway of Tally, inventory info, under stock groups. There are two types, single and multiple. If it is single, on single click create. If you click create button, it displays this dialog box. Okay, gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock group, then create under single stock group. Then it displays what? This dialog box. Then write the group name, stock group name, television under primary. Then here name is name of the group name, alias. Okay, you can give alternative name under which, under primary. If you want to add items to be quantities of items to be added, if you click yes, otherwise no. So here name, enter the name of the stock group to be created. For example, building materials. Okay, maybe it is a cement, okay, etc. Under specify whether the primary group or subgroup of another group by selecting list. For example, primary. Okay, you can create by Alt-C also to create a parent group. Okay, if you want to create a parent group, click Alt-C, then enter the group name and select under. Can quantities of items to be added? This field pertains to information on measuring the units of stock items that you would categorize under the stock group. Okay, if you want to pertain information of measuring the units of stock items, if you want to items to be added in quantities of items to be added, if you want to add, click yes, otherwise no. Next, this is about how to create stock group. Next, displaying stock group. Go to gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock group, then display. Okay, we'll see in Tally how to do. First, open Tally. Then select company. You select any one company. Then go to accounts info. Sorry, inventory info. Go to inventory info. Then click stock groups. Then click create. Okay. Example, monitor or television. Or television. Next, under primary. Okay, so now television is created. Then how to display? Same steps. Gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock groups. So then click display. It displayed television like this. Next, how to alter? Altering stock group. Same. Go to gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock groups. Then click alter. Okay, it display alteration screen. Okay, you can change the name of the stock group. Okay, if you want to alter gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock groups, then alter. Okay, if you want to, instead of television, if you want building materials, okay, you just delete it, right? Materials under primary. Okay, so here television is is replaced with building materials. Clear now how to alter. Next, similarly, if you want to delete also, you can delete by go to alter. Then example DD, if you don't want, click select and then Alt D. If you press Alt D, it get delete. Okay. Yes, how to delete? Gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock group, then under single group alter. Then select which you want to delete, then Alt D. Then it asks you want to delete. If you click yes, it get deleted. So there is no stock group now, it get deleted. Clear no? How to create, display, alter and delete. Next, similarly, multiple stock groups. You can create multiple stock groups. Go to gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock groups, create under multiple stock group. Stock group, create. Then name of stock group. Example, television. Then building material. At a time you can create many stock groups. Like this you can create any number of stock groups. Okay. So here which are the fields are there? Here under group, serial number, name of stock group, under, then items to be added. Okay. So name of stock group is enter the name of the stock group. What is the name of the stock group? Under field automatically with television. If you want the group name is television, Then items are addable. If you want to add the units of stock item, you can select yes, otherwise no. Clear, no? Then how to display multiple stock groups? Go to gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock group, then display. Very simple. Go to gateway of Tally, inventory info, then stock group, then under multiple stock group click display. So it displays all the stock groups. Clear, no? How to alter? Same. Go to gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock groups, then alter. Okay, under multiple stock group. Okay, then you display the screen. Whichever you want to change, you can change. Say example, gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock group, then alter. Okay, suppose which you want to alter, select it. Okay, example, building material. Instead of building materials, you want building materials 1. You want to change. You want to add 1. Television 1. Okay, like this. If you want to alter, you can alter. Clear, no? Okay, this is about stock group. In that single and multiple stock group. Under single also you can create, display, alter, and delete also. Under multiple you can create, display, alter. Clear, no? Okay, thank you.